Wooden crafts have long been admired for their unique beauty, natural appeal, and versatility. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards handmade wooden items, not only for their aesthetic value, but also for their sustainability and durability. Crafting wooden items is not just a rewarding hobby. It can also be a profitable venture. This is especially true when individuals tap into unique wooden craft project ideas that stand out in the marketplace. When executed thoughtfully, such projects can not only generate income, but also offer numerous benefits, from fostering creativity to promoting environmental consciousness. One of the first and most significant benefits of undertaking unique wooden craft projects is the ability to create personalized and custom pieces that cater to specific customer needs. Unlike mass-produced products, handmade wooden items can be tailored to suit the preferences and specifications of the buyer. This opens up opportunities for crafters to connect with their audience on a personal level, ensuring that each piece they create carries a sense of individuality and thoughtfulness. Customization is a powerful selling point, and as people increasingly look for unique, one-of-a-kind items to gift or decorate their homes, wooden craft projects that emphasize personalization have the potential to capture significant market share. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unique wooden craft project ideas to make and sell for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to customization, wooden crafts are often perceived as higher quality and more durable than their mass-produced counterparts. Wood is a natural material that can withstand wear and tear, and its longevity makes it a valuable investment for consumers. Wooden crafts are often seen as sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives to plastic or metal items. By promoting the eco-consciousness of their work, woodworkers can appeal to a growing segment of the market that values environmental sustainability. The ability to craft something that is both beautiful and environmentally responsible can be a significant selling point, especially as consumer awareness around climate change and waste reduction continues to rise. Another key benefit of wooden craft projects is the relatively low cost of materials, especially when compared to other craft mediums. Wood is readily available and, in many cases, affordable, particularly for crafters who are willing to repurpose old or discarded pieces of furniture or pallets. This can significantly reduce the overhead costs of starting a woodworking business. Even small craft projects, such as wooden keychains, ornaments, or picture frames, can be made with scrap wood, allowing artisans to minimize waste while producing high-quality, marketable products. Additionally, repurposing old wood can add a sense of character and history to the pieces, which many buyers find appealing. The charm of vintage or reclaimed wood is something that new, factory-produced items simply cannot replicate. The wide range of possible wooden craft projects also means that there is potential to appeal to a variety of markets. Wooden crafts can be made for people of all ages and interests, from children's toys and educational items to home decor, kitchen accessories, and outdoor furniture. This versatility enables crafters to experiment with different styles, designs, and finishes to find the niche that resonates most with their target audience. Whether it's rustic or contemporary, minimalistic or intricate, the diversity of wooden craft options ensures that woodworkers can find something that suits their artistic style and meets market demands. This flexibility allows for creativity to flow, ensuring that there is always room to experiment with new ideas and techniques. Creating unique wooden crafts for sale also promotes personal growth and skill development. Woodworking is a craft that requires patience, attention to detail, and precision. As a craftsperson continues to create more pieces, they inevitably develop their skills, learning new techniques and methods along the way. Over time, this can lead to increased confidence in their ability to create professional quality products. Additionally, mastering different aspects of woodworking, such as carving, sanding, staining, and finishing, allows the artisan to diversify their offerings and charge higher prices for more complex and sophisticated pieces. From a financial perspective, wooden crafts can be a highly profitable venture, particularly when a craftsperson's work gains recognition. The growing popularity of online marketplaces, such as Etsy, has provided a platform for artisans to showcase and sell their creations to a global audience. By effectively marketing their products and using social media to reach potential customers, woodworkers can build a loyal customer base that is willing to pay a premium for their unique and high-quality items. Furthermore, the ability to sell directly to consumers, without the need for middlemen or retailers, ensures that craftists can keep a larger share of the profits. The profitability of wooden crafts is not just limited to selling finished products. Woodworkers can also explore other avenues for income, such as offering workshops or tutorials. Many people are interested in learning woodworking skills, and by sharing knowledge through classes or online courses, artisans can generate additional income while building their personal brand. Teaching others how to create their own wooden crafts can also help establish the artisan as an expert in their field, further elevating their reputation and attracting more customers. Additionally, working with wood provides the opportunity to develop a strong sense of pride in one's work. Crafting something from a raw material like wood and transforming it into a beautiful, functional item is a deeply satisfying process. The satisfaction derived from seeing a project come to life, from concept to completion, is one of the main reasons people are drawn to woodworking as both a hobby and a business. The sense of accomplishment that comes with producing something with your own hands can be incredibly rewarding, boosting mental well-being and confidence. This sense of pride can also be passed on to the customers, who often appreciate the effort and skill that went into crafting the product. For those who wish to expand their woodworking business even further, there are opportunities to collaborate with other artisans and businesses. Craft fairs, markets, and exhibitions are excellent venues for woodworkers to showcase their products alongside other creators, broadening their exposure and connecting with potential buyers. Collaboration can also take the form of partnerships with interior designers, home decor stores, or even event planners, who may be interested in incorporating custom wooden items into their designs. These types of partnerships can open doors to new opportunities and increase the overall success of the business. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, unique wooden craft project ideas to make and sell for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.